Okay, so I just got done lacing my first wheel ever, and there it is. And since I don't have one on this channel, I'm going to do a little bike check. So, in the back, I have an Odyssey Hazard V3 hub laced to a Sun Estate rim. I have a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, white, that's on backwards. An Animal Sprocket Balboa 23 tooth sprocket. Oh, that's 9 tooth, by the way. Left-hand drive. Odyssey PC pedals. I have a frame off We the People Zodiac. Integrated seat post, so we don't need a seat post clamp. Colony seat. I have a We the People, is that Feelin'? Yeah, We the People Feelin'. Front tire, 2.25. I have a nitrous front hub on a black sheep rim. And my back tire is GLH 1.95. My bars, they're off a stock premium. My grips, I have a fit grip and looks like a Odyssey flatware thumbtack grip. I don't even know. I have a Stone headset, an Odyssey Bolt, of course, and a premium light cranks, FSA impact headset, and a salt bottom bracket. That's it. Oh, and my forks. Sorry, they're Odyssey Directors. They're the Purple Rain edition. Can't really see that too well. Oh, dang it! There goes my drink. But the Purple Rain edition. They're very nice. I love them. And that's it for my bike check.